Welcome to ULMA Packaging, an innovative company that specialises in designing and manufacturing solutions and lines that improve the competitiveness and quality of packaging processes. Now, over 60 years after we started our business, we're a company with a global presence. We have gained the experience and know-how necessary to offer our customers customised packaging solutions. We create attractive, functional and sustainable packaging that preserves product safety and consumer health. We listen to our customers and strive to exceed their expectations. At ULMA Packaging, we are passionate about excellence. We are experts in packaging and we have the widest range of packaging solutions. Allowing us to offer customers the most suitable technology for their projects. We have extensive experience in completing turnkey projects with automatic lines that are integrated into Industry 4.0 environment and maximize process efficiency. We are always close to our customers, sharing their language and culture. We provide advice and the best possible service because we understand their needs. At ULMA, we know that to be global, we have to be local. We have production plants in different countries, equipped with the best technological equipment. In our Innovation and Development Centre, we design packaging machines and applications with cutting-edge technologies. In our continuous pursuit of innovation, we work closely with local and international universities and technology centres. Thanks to that pursuit and our adaptability, we are the chosen partner of numerous companies around the world. This results in satisfied customers who value the quality, robustness and reliability of ULMA's equipment. We are ready to face new challenges. Innovative solutions, smart and connected machines, minimal energy consumption, and eco-friendly packaging. And, as ever, listening to our customers. ULMA Packaging, creating the packaging of the future.